Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Have you ever seen the word Afterpay while using Cash App and wondered what it actually means? Don't worry, you are not alone. A lot of people are asking the same question. What is Afterpay on Cash App? In this video, I am going to explain exactly what Afterpay is, how it works, and how you can use it. First, let's understand what Afterpay actually is. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service. It lets you split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. So instead of paying the full price all at once, you can spread it out. No interest, no hidden fee, as long as you pay on time. Now let's learn a little bit about the history of Afterpay. Afterpay was an independent company founded in Australia in 2014. It offered a buy now pay later service, allowing customers to pay for their purchases in 4 interest-free installments. In 2021, American fintech company Block Inc. acquired Afterpay for nearly $29 billion. Since Block Inc. also owns Cash App, the Afterpay option was added to Cash App as well. Let's go over the key benefits. No interest if you pay on time, no impact on your credit score, easy to track and manage payments in Cash App. You don't even need the Cash App card for online use. But remember, if you miss a payment, late fees can apply, so always stay on schedule. So finally, I hope you now clearly understand what Afterpay is and what benefits it offers.